Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start from chapter number 3, question number 5. Explain how the Indus Valley people grew crops. Now open page number 12. The answer of question number 5 starts from this line. The Indus Valley people were highly skilled agriculturists. Agriculturists mean kashkar. Highly skilled mean बहुत ज़्यादा माहिर. The Indus Valley people were highly skilled agriculturists. They use irrigation techniques and had large granaries. Granaries कहते हैं गोदामों को. और store houses to store the surplus. Surplus mean किसी चीज़ की ज़्यादा मिकदार. Of crops gathered from the surrounding areas. Indus Valley people use irrigation techniques to irrigate the crops and they had large storehouses for the storage of surplus of crops gathered from the surrounding areas. Cotton was grown as a crop and it led to the spinning. Spinning mean the conveying of fibers into yarn and weaving. Weaving mean the action of forming fabric by interlacing threads of cotton. Indus Valley people grew cotton and it was used in the process of spinning and weaving, in which the Indus Valley people again seem to be the world pioneers. Pioneers mean the very first people who do something new. Indus Valley people seem to be the world's pioneers. Indus Valley people were the very first people who used cotton for different purposes. Let's see question number 6. What is the importance of the seals? Now open page number 13. The answer of question number 6 starts from this line. The seals are small, flat, square or rectangular objects with the pictures of animals such as a humbull, an elephant, tiger and a rhinoceros. What are seals? The seals are small, flat, square or rectangular objects with the pictures of different animals like humbull, an elephant, tiger and a rhinoceros. You can see different seals here. These are seals. These seals are similar to those found in Sumer. Sumer क्या है? Civilization. And show that the Sumerians traded with the Indus Valley people. The seals of Indus Valley civilization are similar to those found in Sumer and show that the Sumerians traded with the Indus Valley people. It means seals were used in trade. Let's see question number 7. Give 2 reasons for the picture of the bull found on the seals. Now open page number 14. The answer of question number 7 starts from this line. The presence of the bull on the seals tells us that the Indus people were agriculturists. Agriculturists mean kashkar, and that it was also the sign of one of their gods. The presence of the bull on the seals tells us that the Indus people were agriculturists and that it was also the sign of one of their gods. Indus Valley people worshipped many gods. They also worshipped bull. So the presence of the bull on the seals was also the sign of one of their gods. Let's see question number 8. How did archaeologists discover the uniformity of culture in the Indus Valley civilization sites? The answer of question number 8 is archaeologist. Who is archaeologist? A person who studies human history by digging up human remains and artifacts. Found Harappa civilization in 1920s. Archaeologists discovered the Indus Valley civilization, which was also known as Harappa civilization, in 1920s. Since then, 2300 sites of Harappa culture have been found in areas to the east and north of the river Indus. After the discovery of Indus Valley civilization, 2300 sites of Harappa culture have been found in areas to the east and north of the river Indus. Throughout these sites, similar sorts of vessels कहते हैं बर्तनों को, statuettes कहते हैं मुजस्मों को, artifacts mean man-made objects from the past, seals and other items were found. In all the sites of Harappa culture, same kinds of vessels, statuettes, artifacts, seals and other items were found. Cities were planned and built in the same manner and same agricultural techniques were used. In all the sites of Harappa culture, cities were planned and built in the same manner and same agricultural techniques were used. These similarities, ये किन similarities की बात हो रही है जो मैंने अभी आपको ऊपर बताई हैं. Same kinds of vessels, statuettes, artifacts, seals and other items, same city planning, same agricultural techniques show a uniformity of culture in the Indus Valley civilization sites. I hope you will be understand. Allah Hafiz.